Yo, what's going on? This is Wesley, $1 billion virgin. As you can see here, this video is titled, drum roll please, basically make $100 per hour. Okay, I'm going to show you in this video live proof that you can make $100 per hour doing this. Okay, so first thing you have to do is this. Please write this down. Okay, please write this down right now. Go to a site that's called Google.com Trends. Here we go. Let's type in Google Trends. Do you know what Google Trends are? Man, you know, I make a ton of money just by following the trends, because we want to know what's going on. This works right now during the coronavirus. Like, you can make crazy amounts of money right now during the coronavirus. I'm gonna show you why, okay? And right now, because of the pandemic, right, as you can see here, no one's out here driving around, no one's on the beach. And what that means is people right now don't have jobs and they're in debt. Okay, if you're in debt, I want you to say amen. If you want to get out of debt, I want you to say let's go in the comment section right now. Listen, you type debt relief. This is what you're going to do, okay? Pay attention. This is the real deal here. Debt relief, okay? Because what we want to know is, what is the trend right now? As you can see, the trend right now is pretty much steady, but it's increasing. We have a lot of people right now, they're experiencing problems with money because of corona marijuana. Make sense? Oh, I just ran out of battery power, guys. All right, so I'm gonna have to make this video very quickly here. Does that make sense? A lot of people are experiencing problems as it relates to debt because of the coronavirus. Make sense? So what you want to do is, this is called research. You want to do your R&D first. You research and say, okay, we understand this debt relief. As we can see, the trend is increasing here. So that means that right now, what we want to do to make that $100 an hour is find a place where we can basically introduce, okay, solutions to people's debt. How many of you in debt right now because of corona marijuana? Hit the like button. I'm curious. I'll just say, yeah, Wesley, I am. I'm hurting right now. Okay, and I get you. And that's why your boy Wesley Virgin is going to save your life here. Okay. So the site you need to go to is called alphavault.com. Alphavault.com is an affiliate network. Understand something. There are several affiliate networks. Like, I have many systems right now that I have a bunch of people that's using, like Digistore. I'm on that platform. That's an affiliate network as well. We're #1 in the world. And this is another company here where you can basically promote offers. Okay. Just understand, it's a ton of different affiliate marketplace platforms that you can use to make a ton of money. You know, a lot of you know about Digistore. Well, I've done millions of dollars per month on, and ClickBank, I've done millions of dollars per month on, but there's other ones as well. Make sense? All right. So what you do is you go here, and you know what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you the exact offer that you can promote. As you can see here, we're going to make $100 per hour based off what is called pay per call. Okay, pay per call. So if you go here, as you can see here, I have the offer up already. Okay, make sure you get an Offer Vault account. Get it for free. Is everybody with me? Hit the like button, please. Just want to make sure you can hear me. Okay. And what this company does, this is IRS tax debt. A lot of people are in debt right now, right? So the thing is, that's where the trend is. See, the thing is, online, you want to follow exactly what people are thinking about and what they're trying to avoid or what they're trying to move closer to. And right now, people are in debt and they need help. They need money. So what we're going to do is we're going to sign up for this offer. Go ahead and sign up for this offer right here. It's IRS tax debt relief USA. So let me copy this. And guys, if my phone go dead, I'll do this video again just for you, okay? I apologize. All right, you see this right here? All right. See, once you put that in there, see that? They're gonna pay you $100 per lead. That's powerful, per lead. Not per action, not per sale, per lead. Okay, that means if somebody pick up the phone and just call the number, okay? Just call the number, you're gonna make money. Does that make sense? And I'm gonna show you step by step how to do it, okay? Is everybody with me? If you're with me, just say, Wesley, I'm with you. I don't wanna move too fast because I know I tend to talk kind of fast sometimes, okay? Because I wanna make fast money today, not tomorrow. All right, makes sense? So you basically wanna go to this offer. They're gonna pay you every time somebody call this number here. And you have to join the network. And as you can see here, you just fill out this information here, right? It's very easy to do. And once you do that, you see this right here. This is going to be your landing page that they give you for free. And you're going to have an affiliate link. So basically, when you paste this and when people click on it and call, and I'm going to show you how to get traffic. I'm going to show you how to get a crazy amount of traffic to this for free, okay? When people call this number here, boom, you make $100. That's just that simple. Does that make sense so far? When people go to this site, it's going to have a special number, and I'm going to show you how to get the traffic. You're just going to get paid money, okay? $100 every time they just call the number. Now, listen, you can't call it yourself. Come on, don't cheat the system because it's not going to work. You got to be honest and legit. You're going to post it, they're going to call, and you're going to make money based off their call. Does that make sense? How do I get traffic to this page right here from the affiliate link? If I use social networking and Facebook, when I get banned, listen, let me show you something that's going to blow your mind. What I want you to do is this, because now you got to find out, okay, where are the people that need debt relief? Type in this name, David Ramsey. Anybody know who that guy is? It's just powerful stuff here. David Ramsey. This is why I run a multi-million-dollar company right now, because I help people like you to discover small tweaks on the internet that you can make money right now. And listen, you don't have to invest with me. You don't have to join my groups yet. I want you to make money first. I'm going to prove to you that you make money. Then if you want to join me, join Wesley $1 Billion Virgin, I'm going to hook you up. I'm going to take care of you. Okay. David Ramsey is a guy that's basically has an American radio show, and he tells people to get out of debt. He focuses on that, right? So David Ramsey, his group of people that are on the internet, this is the people that we want to contact, right? David Ramsey or anybody else like him, right? Anybody that's trying to tell people right now, hey, get out of debt, we want to target, okay? Makes sense? So understand this. You go to facebook.com, go to your Facebook. Let's see if I can log in. Here we go. Type in David Ramsey. All right, boom, boom, boom. See that here? David Ramsey here. Okay, he has 4.5 million. That's a lot of people, isn't it? So the question is, I want to tap into this guy's network, right? I want to tap into this guy's network. And the great thing about this, you can even use your iPhone. I know some of you don't have a laptop. You can be on your iPhone and do this, okay? So the thing is, but what I want to do is, I want to go to the groups. Yeah, look at that. Join all his groups. Join. Right? Fill out the information. Then join. You want to join Dave Ramsey's group because he teaches the philosophy about just get out of debt first. Get out of debt. So all these people are primed for you. Does that make sense? Now, if that makes perfect sense, I want you to give me a like right now. If you think I deserve it, hit the like button. Listen, I'm giving you this for free. These are people that are already primed and ready to find offers just like this. Do you qualify for tax debt relief? These people, which is 4.5 million people, you join all these groups here. Okay? You join all these groups. Now, I know you guys are banging that like button, but I know you have another question. You may say, okay, Wesley, if I join these groups, but if I place my link, I'm going to get banned. Listen, you're not going to place a link. I'm going to show you something behind the scenes that you're going to love me to life. You're going to say, Wesley, you are a freaking internet guru. I love you so much because I'm going to give you some backdoor things that you will guarantee make $100 per hour. And it's up to you how much money you want to make per day. Okay? It's up to you. Now look at this. Once you join these groups, well, you don't do what everybody else doing and just put a post in there and add your link. No, I'm going to give you a script and I'm going to show you what to post here. Let me see if I can join a group without having to send this information. Give me a second. Yeah, David. How about this? Let's just go to his fan page here. All right, David Ramsey. Where is his post? Oh, okay. See this right here? I'm posting this guy's page. Look at that. There's over 4.5 million people watching it here. Okay. I'm just going to give you an example. So I want you to look close. I'm going to give you the exact script. After I give you the script that you're going to paste right here, I'm going to tell you what to do from your Facebook page itself. Okay. Does that make sense? And then I want you to bang the like button because you love me so much, because I gave this information for free. Well, other internet marketers, they're charging you for this. And this is simple. If you're highly motivated, look, you could be naked on your couch. You could be in your bathtub. Okay. You could be drinking a green drink. It doesn't matter. Drinking a glass of wine and do this. Here's the script right here. Hold on. Boom. Copy this. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a copy of that below in my description. Okay. Thank you for hitting the like button, by the way. This is only for people with these. 1, high interest debt you want to get rid of ASAP. 2, 4,000 or more in debt you want to eliminate fast. You want to eliminate fast. Please copy this down. You need to write this down. This is a script that I created myself and it works lovely. Ready to wipe your debt clean. Enjoy living life without debt. How many of you are getting excited right now? Some of you got a big smile on your face, don't you? I know you love me. I get it. Look at it. I finally found a solution. Tens of thousands have been able to eliminate their debt in under 1 hour by working with this company. It's been a blessing for many. Comment, clear my debts now. If you would like me to send you a direct, I'm going to put private content. There are limited spots. Now listen, if you would paste that right here, come on. You don't put your affiliate link right here at all. You just paste it. You're going to have hundreds of people that's going to say, clear my debt right now. Clear my debt right now. Clear my debt. What you do, you reach out to all of them individually and say, great, I'm glad you reached out to me. Hey, go here first and follow what you see on the page. Then I'm going to reach out to you in 5 minutes. I'm going to show you how to clear your debt super fast, okay? Just call this number. You paste the link. They're going to click it. They're going to call the number. You make money. Now, listen. Obviously, everybody's not going to call. But say if you have 5 or 6 people per day call that number. Does that make sense? Say if you have 5 to 6 people or 10 people call that number. So the question is, how motivated are you to make money, right? Look at this. Did everybody get that? Hit the like button if everybody got it. I'm going to leave it on the screen for a second here. Look at that. Just copy that. That's a script. I'm going to give you that script for free. You go to groups, okay, on Facebook that's talking about debt. People that want to get out of debt. All right? People their sole purpose of living to get out of debt. Thanks for the kisses, ladies. I know you love it. I know you love me right now, right? This is why I'm so rich, because I give value. Okay. Service leads to greatness. You see that right here? Copy that. And all you have to do is go around the internet, follow Dan Ramsey, go to all his groups, go to other debt relief type of groups as well. And other guys just like Dan Ramsey. If you want to find other people like Dave Ramsey, watch this. Dave Ramsey competition. I know you love me, right? Look at this. So who else is like Dave Ramsey here? Look at that. Susie Orman. Yeah, who knows that chick? Yeah, Susie. Okay, boo. All right, baby. Susie, let me make some money off you, boo. Right? Did everybody copy that? Yeah, Susie Orman, she's another knucklehead that says that, hey, get out of debt ASAP. So what do? You type in Susie Orman. Ladies, men, are you listening to me? Type in Susie Orman. Look, she has 586,000 likes. Let's go to the groups here. right? Here's all the groups. There you go. Join all of them. Join the groups. Join the groups, right? I want to get out of debt. And you do the exact same thing. Does that make sense? Okay? Go to her pages and you want to take your cool script, right? Did everybody get that script? And just paste it here. Trust me, folks. Listen, you're going to have a ton of people that's going to reach out to you via DM. They will. And everybody's not going to call. But listen, I want you to do the math. If you have 10 people to call per day, how much money is that? It's $1,000 a day. You tell them you can't get 10 people to call their number. Just 10 people that fit this criteria here. Now the question is, how many of you are going to take action? I love you guys so much. This is Wesley, $1 billion virgin. Motivated, dedicated, let's go. Later.